Upgrade cloud storage for Photoshop. Upgrade cloud storage for Photoshop. How to upgrade any cloud storage for Photoshop? By the way, all Creative Cloud plans come with cloud storage, and this allows you to access your cloud documents across your devices, and so you can create and share your files wherever you go. And read on to understand how you can upgrade and manage your cloud storage. And how much cloud storage am I entitled to? Like the plan and free trial and photography plan and Adobe Photoshop single and Adobe Creative. And each plan and each one of those has meaning based cloud storage, or 2 GB or 20 GB or 1 TB or 100 GB. Yes. I have free trial, by the way. How do I upgrade to a paid plan and get more cloud storage? If you are using the free trial of Photoshop on the iPad, you are entitled to 2 GB of cloud storage, by the way. And if you run out of storage and are enjoying your trial, simply upgrade to a paid plan on Adobe.com to receive a greater allotment of cloud storage. And I have a paid plan. Can I upgrade my cloud storage? If you have a paid plan, can you upgrade your cloud storage? If you are a paid subscriber, you can upgrade, yes, exactly, your storage from Adobe Upgrade storage site. And how do you free up space from your cloud storage? If you have reached your storage limit, you can either upgrade your storage or delete older projects to free up space. From the home screen of Photoshop on the iPad, go to the Cloud Documents tab, then tap the 3 dots icon and next to any of your documents, and then tap on Delete. And to permanently delete a document and free up space, navigate to the Delete tab and tap the 3 dots icon and next to the Delete document, then select the permanently delete option. And how to solve Photoshop Cloud Documents errors. If you have any errors on the Cloud Documents, how to solve these errors now on Photoshop Cloud Documents? Follow these steps now to resolve any errors when working with Cloud Documents. Network error. If you have any network error, if you have issue or workaround. Issue network connection error. The Cloud Documents system has detected that your computer is either not connected to a network or the connection is internet, and normally this results is in the Cloud Documents failing back into offline mode. And in workaround, you can determine if your computer is operating in offline mode by going to the home screen, then Cloud Documents, and seeing if either the offline panel or cloud icon with X is displayed in this screen. And if your computer is displaying the Cloud Document Organizer in online mode and you are getting this error dialog from the application, please follow the steps outlined here. Resolve connection errors, please. Yes. And if no internet connection, if you have no internet connection, the issue here now, the issue no internet connection, the Cloud Documents system has detected that your computer is either not connected to a network or the connection is internet normally. This results in Cloud Documents falling back into offline mode, and in this case the application thinks you are trying to operate on a document that is online only. And what about if workaround? If you are getting this error dialog from the application, please follow the steps now outlined here. You are getting this error dialog from the application, and please follow the steps outlined here. Resolve connection errors. And so what about operating online? Operating on online only asset while device offline is offline. operating on online only asset while device is offline. The issue here now, editing a cloud document while device is offline. The cloud document system has detected that your computer is either not connected to a network or the connection is internet normally. This results, by the way, in cloud document falling back into offline mode, and in this case the application thinks you are trying to edit a document that is online only. And workaround: if you are getting this error dialog from the application, please follow the steps outlined here, and you are getting this error dialog from the application, and please follow the steps outlined here now. Resolve connection errors. And what about sensing field? If the sensing field here now, sensing field, the application is attempting, the issue here now, the application is attempting to synchronize changes either made locally back to the cloud or changes in the cloud back to the local computer due to either a non-performing or disconnected internet connection. It was not able to sense the changes, by the way. And what about workaround? Workaround: please check your internet connection by following the steps outlined. Resolve connection error. And if you think the internet connection is fine and you still receive this error, please try quitting Photoshop, then stopping your core sense and the process either by using Activity Monitor or on macOS or Task Manager on Windows. And after stopping the core sense process, launch Photoshop and see if the error presets. If so, please contact Adobe Customer Care again. Thank you. And what about the request timeout? The issue here now, request timeout. The cloud document system is either not connected to the internet or the connection in internet. And what about workaround? Workaround: retry the operation, the field. Sometimes the request fails due to slow internet connection, and retrying again will often success. And number 2, please check the internet connection by following the steps outlined. Resolve connection error. And step number 3, if you think the internet connection is fine and you still receive the error, please try quitting Photoshop, then stopping your core sense process, and either by using Activity Monitor on macOS or Task Manager on Windows. After stopping the core sense process, launch Photoshop and see if the error resets. If so, please contact Adobe Customer Care again. Thank you. And so what about the user blacklisted? Please contact support. If the user blacklisted, please contact support. The issue here now, user blacklisted. Adobe has suspended your account due to violation of the terms of service. And workaround will be: please contact Adobe Customer Care. So what about generic readable error? The issue here now, an unknown error has occurred, and workaround: please try and see if it succeeds. If you continue to get is failure, quiet and restart Photoshop, and if it continues, rebooting your computer may be required. So what about full cloud storage? If the full cloud storage error, the issue here now, your cloud storage is full. Error here. And workaround will be: you can free space by permanently deleting documents several ways, and in the home screen, then press cloud documents, then press delete location, then select one or multiple documents to delete permanently. Note that, and be careful please here now. Again, deleting from the cloud documents location of the home screen just moves them into your deleted folder, and you must permanently delete them from the deleted area, and in order to free up storage space, like this screenshot now. You can delete permanently, or restore. Delete or restore permanently. Yes, exactly. From the delete option. Yes. And what about logged in user limit exceeded errors? Logged in user limit exceeded errors. The issue here now will be activation limit reached, and Adobe has determined that you have exceeded the maximum sign-in activations allowed to Creative Cloud. And what about workaround? Workaround will be to get to an acceptable number of sign activations. Please follow the steps outlined here. Creative Cloud activation limit reached or sign-in failed error. Thank you so much.